Alright, today we get to paint the fourth tile in our winter series, and we're going to be doing an acorn and some little winter berries for this. But first I thought it might be kind of cool for you to see where I have the other three tiles. Alright, let's go check it out. What do you think of where I have them? Do you think I need to hang them on the wall? Alright, let's go work on that fourth tile. These are the materials you'll need for this project. Start out by doing a loose sketch of your 3 acorns and branches. We'll mix together Payne's Gray with Phthalo Blue and Titanium White. Go around in whatever style of brush stroke you want to use, and then add in some Titanium White. For this brown color I'm using Payne's Gray mixed with Burnt Umber and Titanium White, and I'm just sort of place holding for these acorns. Not a whole lot of definition yet, just want to kind of paint sketch it out for right now. For the branches behind, I'm going to use sap green mixed with a little Payne's Gray and put it on pretty thinly. So thin meaning that I add a little bit more water to the paint than I normally would. And the reason for this is a couple reasons. You always want to go from painting thinly to thick paint, but also in case I need to make a change, I can easily wipe it off. I added in a little bit more layers of that same dark green mixture and then added Titanium White to that and kind of went through and did a light definition of the different types of branches. At this point I am still using Burnt Umber, but I'm adding in a little more Titanium White, and I have a little Burnt Sienna in there too. These little winter berries were giving me a hard time until I decided the way I wanted for them to look. I mixed together cadmium red with Payne's Gray to get the darker part of the berries, and then the lighter part is just straight cadmium red. On top of the acorns I added in a little bit more Burnt Sienna. Burnt Sienna is kind of a warmer brown, and then I'm just going in and defining the tiny little brush strokes to define the top of the acorn over that dark. And here, this is an example where you're sort of rule breaking, because usually you want to always go from dark to light, but on these acorns I go from medium and then add some light, and then on top of that I'm adding dark, a little bit of dark to define. Just adding in a little bit more of the lighter blue and white to the snow, and then here I'm, like I said, going over with just burnt umber and blending the snow together. And there you have it. So I'm just, even though I already signed it, I'm still defining a little bit more, getting it to a point where I'm really happy with it. Ta-da! Before I let you guys go, I thought I would show you my neighborhood the way it looks right now. We just had some snow yesterday. Not as much as the time that I used the picture for the last painting, but still quite a bit of snow. Alright, we're all done. I just came inside and my eyes were all watery from being outside in the cold. Why is that? Why is it that our eyes water when we go outside and start to cry? I had to kind of clean up my makeup a little bit from just going outside for like a minute to take that little video. But anyways, we're all done with the 4-part series, winter series, and I'm really happy that I had you all to help push me to get it done. It really helps to have the subscribers to get me to keep painting, and I love all the comments. This is my little guy. No. Anyways, thank you so much. Please remember to like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Oh, I'll show you where I have the last painting too. Okay, ciao. Hey, if I don't post again before Christmas, I just want to wish you all a Merry, Merry Christmas and possibly even a Happy New Year. I think I'll post before then though. Okay, see you next time. Bye.